Ito yung apex. Okay? Handle, body, and apex. Meron po tayong dalawang naunang pattern. One is underhand, and one is overhand. If underhand po, we're going to make okay sign first, both hands. This way, we're going to hold our ropes. Paghawak po natin, huwag natin siyang itatight. So, the grip should be loose. Loose grip. Para po pag roll ng rope, parang hindi siya mag-pressure. And at the same time, hindi po kayo magkakaroon ng paltos. So, let the rope flow
Smoothly.
in your okay sign fingers. Ate, ito ka muna. Ay, ito po. Sa'yo muna to. Masamantala. Tapos, pag gagawa po tayo ng underhand, our palm should be facing upward. So, hold your